everyone, welcome back to my channel and to a brand new video. So today I'm going to talk you through some nice autumnal things I picked up in Home Bargains, and I think there's like two or three things that are from TK Maxx I want to pop in here as well. So this is not like a Halloween haul, this is like a kind of autumnal decor haul and just little knickknacks that I think you would really like to see. So I really hope you enjoy. If you do enjoy this video guys, can you make sure you give the video a thumbs up, because it really helps out my channel and it means that I know you like it and I can make more content like this over autumn. So let's get started. Okay, so first thing I wanted to start off with was something that I'll be using an awful lot now that I've got them, and it is these reusable cups. Now I did buy the paper cups before because I like the look of them, but also because they are recyclable, but these are even better because they're reusable. 50% bamboo, 50% polypropylene, is that how you say it? So they're like little kind of half bamboo cups, and it's because they're this size, they look like a little takeaway cup. These parts here remove, and I'm assuming, oops, I'm assuming that that is because it's to keep your hands from getting too hot, just the way that you would get on your coffee cups. But how nice. Now wait till you hear the price of these, because you're never going to believe it. These were 89 pence. I actually can't believe it. So 89 pence each, and they fit in your cup holder in your car. My mum did get me another, I can't remember the name of the brand, but she got me a reusable cup. It doesn't fit in my car. It's good for going around the house in the morning to keep my coffee hot, but it doesn't fit in my car. So I thought I'd get one to fit in the car, so that on school runs, if we are taking the car or even if I'm out for the day, Fraser and I can make a coffee using our Nespresso machine and pop them in here and take them out for the day and save a bit of money from buying coffee all the time. Then because I love those ones so much, I seen these ones. These are just a larger size. So these ones are 475 millilitres for the capacity, and these ones are 350. So this one's a bit bigger than the other one, so it's a longer kind of venti size cup. The other ones are more like a small. And these ones are double walled, so they don't have the gripper thing around the middle of them, but it's because they have got like a double layer of the bamboo material. Now, these ones are a bit of a different lid. The other ones are just like a regular coffee cup lid, so you've got like the little spout here, whereas this one you actually open up and close the little spout part like that, so you've got the little lid that goes across and clicks. And the good thing is the other ones, they just like pop on and off, but this one actually screws, and it looks like a really tight seal, so we won't have any spillages. Again, really affordable. These were only £1.29 each, so I picked up two in this lovely oatmeal kind of effect. It's kind of like a bit of a, it looks a bit more like stone. They had black, they had pink, they had blue, and they had a lovely sage green colour as well, but I just picked up this because you know that I'm all about the neutrals. So for my autumn cleans, I really needed to get a little shower squeegee, so I picked up this one from Home Bargains. It's called Love Elle's Home Utility with a bamboo handle, and it's black, and I thought this would actually look really nice just sitting in the shower to squeegee down the class so it doesn't get lots of marks on it. And I'm sure this was like £1.50 for this, really inexpensive. Next up, you guys are going to be obsessed with this. I was actually on a hunt for the white pumpkin mug. It's £1.99 for this mug, and I cannot find it anywhere. Every Home Bargains I went to today, I think I went to 4 different ones, they didn't have any of them because they've not had the delivery in yet. So I don't know if the stock down south is different from the stock here, but we don't have them in yet, so I'm going to keep an eye out for them, because it looks like the Anthropology mug, but it's only £2 and I can't wait to get my hands on it. But I did see this and there were only 2, so I picked up one and can't believe my eyes that I got this. It's a pumpkin casserole dish. It's so American, very TK Maxx inspired, and I absolutely love it. So it says here it's an easy clean 2-litre cast iron pumpkin dish. It's from Home Collections, and it's got some pumpkin soup in the little picture in the front, which is exactly what I'll use it for making my pumpkin soup, which I do every year, and I just absolutely love it. I think it looks so nice. I'll try and take out the packaging so you can see it a bit better without the card around it. So this is it here. It's got a lid, it's got the stalk on it, and it's actually in this really nice pewter colour, so it could look gold or silver, but I think it's so nice. And then the top of it is a bit lighter in the centre. It really reminds me of Le Creuset from TK Maxx. Well, that's actually a brand in itself, but they sell a lot of that stoneware in TK Maxx. It reminds me a lot of that, but I can't wait to sit this on my stove and it'll just look really homely. So I'm going to pop it away until I'm really decorating one day. I'm going to clean all the house and you can decorate with me because I've got a few other things on the way. So as you might see when I do any baking videos, I keep a lot of my kind of dry foods in these glass jars. It's very kind of vintage inspired, and they've got these lovely steel locks on the top. So I've got the rose gold, you can get them in black and you can also get them in gold. But originally when I bought all of these for the cupboard, they only did it in rose gold, so I'm going to continue with the rose gold hardware on it. So these are £2 and I tend to put in like flour, caster sugar, porridge oats, cereal, pasta, rice, all that stuff in these, and it just means I can see exactly what I'm looking for when I go in the cupboard, and it looks really nice as well. Something else I picked up for a nice cozy bath was these salts. These are bath salts by Dead Sea Collection, and this scent is almond vanilla. It is absolutely gorgeous. So you basically just pour some of these in your bath water, they all dissolve and it makes your bath smell amazing. It's got salts in it which are good for balancing your skin, and they've got a really calming effect. So you leave these to soak for about 20 minutes in warm water and then you pour them in your bath at night time, because they do say salt baths are better at night time than during the day because you're meant to relax after them. Unsure, something to do with the salts, but yeah, these will be really nice. I'm actually going to decant these in the bathroom. I've got a black jar that I'm going to keep them in, but yeah, smells amazing, and I'm hoping that you can really smell these in the bathroom once they're out of this jar. This little plastic tub. Something teeny tiny from Home Bargains. They had loads of different candles in, but I thought I would just get this fragrance in a smaller size because I want to try loads of different fragrances in my house throughout the whole of autumn and then obviously into Christmas as well. I'll just be buying smaller ones because the big candles are great, but sometimes you don't finish them all. This one here is a Yankee candle. It's red velvet brownie and I'm sure it was £2.99 for this little one. Don't quote me on that. It was roughly about £2 for it, but it smells amazing. It's got that really nice chocolatey rich smell, kind of spicy, but then there's like a fruitiness to it, so I really like it. It smells gorgeous. I absolutely love this. It just smells like you want to eat it. Something I had to pick up from Home Bargains, and sometimes I find quite hard to get these when I'm in, is the Pledge duster refills. I dust everywhere all the time. I've got a dog and 2 kids and it does get pretty dusty in here, so I got refills for my fluffy duster. Boring but essential. And then this next couple of things are from TK Maxx. So I got these little pumpkins, these gold pumpkins that look like little candles. You can burn them, but I don't plan on burning them. They're just so nice. I love the fact they're a bit more kind of distressed, and you'd like to kind of like dot these around places, so I'll probably put these on the unit that's behind my dining table as a little display item, but I'll probably take them out of this packaging and then like sit them separately next to maybe like another pumpkin. And actually I find it quite hard in the UK especially, unless you order things online, it's sometimes really hard to get nice, not Halloween, but like autumn decorations. It's really hard. So like Etsy's good and online's good, but actually in store it's pretty hard and a lot of stuff is really expensive. So I wanted to show you this kind of idea. It does say Happy Halloween on it. You can get these little like styrofoam pumpkins from Amazon. I'm going to link the ones that I've got here, and then you can decorate them yourself. Now I've done like lots of little details on this one. It says Happy Halloween on it and kind of scripty writing. I've done like vines and then I've written boo on the other side, just using all kind of like Halloween fall inspired colours. You could do like a design, you don't need to do words on it. And I just thought this would be really nice to sit next to one of the little gold pumpkins just to have different sizes. But this is like an inexpensive way of getting Halloween and kind of autumn decorations without spending a fortune, because they're really cheap and they come unfinished. They come just white, so if you want to just put white ones around, then that's really good as well. And they come in all different sizes. This is the medium one, but they come in a bag, so that was one of the ones I chose to decorate using those pens that you use for the rocks, you know, like those painting pens. Really, really easy to do. And another couple of autumn bits, some baking kits. I do like baking from scratch, but sometimes it's just easier to have one of these in the cupboard for a rainy afternoon and for something to do maybe after dinner time. I have got a cinnamon bun mix by Jane Asher. You literally just need butter and you need milk and 2 eggs to make this little kit, and again that was like £1 or something. And then I got this one which is a carrot cake mix, and I thought again it's good for the kids at the weekends because they might not be out as much with it being a bit colder, a bit more damp outside even after school when there's kind of nothing to do until dinner time. I thought it'd be good to even just have these in the cupboard to pick up and use whenever we're needing something to just have a little activity to do. Handy to have in, and they are actually really nice as well. I've tried the red velvet one of these packs and it's gorgeous. And then I suppose another little decoration that I'll just pop in here is this candy corn candle from TK Maxx. It was on my last haul, but I thought I'd pop it in here anyway. It was $5.99 and it smells amazing. The candle selection in there is insane, so if you are in the hunt then definitely look for some in TK Maxx. Anyway guys, that is the end of the haul. I really hope you enjoyed seeing what I picked up today in Home Bargains and also a few TK Maxx bits. Anything that I can link for you on Amazon that's similar, I'll put down below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like what you see, please make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my future content, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys!